Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Bluetooth device which is missing in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to turn on your airplane mode, and once done, turn it off. Okay? So after you have performed that first step, check if your Bluetooth device is now appearing in your Windows or computer. Check if it is now there. Okay? And let's if it doesn't, then let's move on to the second step, which is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here you need to type services.msc and click on OK to continue. So once you're being redirected here at the services, we need to change the startup type of any services or system related to Bluetooth. How we can do that, as you can see here, I have three service and system. Let's go with the first one. Select that, do a right click and go for properties and make the startup type into automatic. If in your case it's not, then click this down arrow and then go for automatic and apply and okay. Once done, do a right click here again on the service that you have just selected, and this time you need to go with start or go with restart if your start option is grayed out. Okay, so once done with the first service, proceed to the second one, do a right click and go for properties and go with startup type and make it automatic, apply and okay. Once done, start it again or restart. So apply this in the third Bluetooth services or system or to the fourth if you have the fourth service or system. Okay? So once done, just have to close this window and check if your Bluetooth device is now there. Okay? So let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the third step, which is a start icon, do a right click and scroll up and go for device manager. Once you have opened your device manager, simply expand it and here you need to look for Bluetooth. Okay, so once you have found it, select this forward arrow and check the Bluetooth adapter that you have in your machine. Okay, once you have selected it, do a right click and go for update driver. Here in this new window, it has these two options which are automatically and manually search for drivers. Proceed to the first one which is search for automatically, and if says here the best drivers for your device are already installed, then proceed to search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Okay, this will take some time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet connection that you are connected to. Okay, so once done, check if your Bluetooth device is now there. Okay. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the manually search for drivers. Okay. Do a right click again, go for update driver, and go with browse my computer for drivers. And then go with the second one, click on that. And here you need to try one by one of the Bluetooth adapter that you have here and just try the first one and then click on next and try again the second one and click on next and check if what Bluetooth adapter will work for you. Okay? Just try it out and check if your Bluetooth is now there. Okay? And let's say if it not, then let's say if you don't see any of your Bluetooth option here at the device manager, then simply click anywhere and then go for action and then go with scan for hardware changes. Okay? So check if your Bluetooth device is now there and perform that step. Okay? So those are this step is for laptop users who don't see their Bluetooth device which is there. Okay? So once you have click on action and go for scan for hardware changes and you have seen your Bluetooth, then perform the automatically and manually search for drivers. Okay? And let's say if it doesn't work in your Windows or computer, then close this window and let's move on to the next step, which is at the bottom search bar, type CMD. Okay. Then go with run as administrator here. Let's just wait until the run as administrator option will appear. Okay, now it's here. Tap it to continue, and when your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you will be redirected here in this window. Here we'll be pasting a command. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this at the description box below, or you can simply post this video to take a note of it. Okay, let me just copy this. Control C, Control V. Then once you've pasted it, it is DISM all caps space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. Click enter and you just have to wait until the process is done and don't turn off your computer. Leave this command prompt window open. Okay? So once done, restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So let's say if it doesn't fix for you, then let's move on to the last step, which I'll be recommending you is you need to plug out all your external devices like charger, USB, adapters, all of that, and press your power button in 25 to 30 seconds. Okay? So after that, restart your computer or turn on your computer. I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.